So
So this is for the hashtag #loveishealthy campaign. And the first question is, what do you think, in your opinion, is a healthy relationship?
a healthy relationship is when two can trust each other, they're respectful, and they know each other's boundaries, and they respect each other like that. So that is like what a healthy relationship is to me.
Second question is, what outside influences like changes your view on relationship, or like who do you look to that is in a relationship that changes your view on relationships?
My parents, they have been together for a long time, so the way they are like still holding strong, it really like have a big influence in me.
And then lastly, how can you promote more awareness about the issue of teen violence?
Um, I mean, I've heard a lot of teen violence, but it's easy the things that create violence, but like it's sometimes harder to avoid things like that. But to help promote violence, I mean not promote, I mean yeah, just you know I think jealousy is one thing that plays into the teens generation these days, and backbiting and all of that stuff. If all of that stuff can be like maintained and withheld, then teen violence will decrease. So it's all about like talking about someone, or stealing someone's stuff, or taking someone's stuff, and those kind of things. So if we can like really like maintain and hold ourselves and respect others, then everything will be all right. Yeah.
Thank you.
Yeah.